Bless you.
Yo, why did you bless me before I even got a chance to sneeze?
Oh, I thought you had hypothermia or something. That's what I thought. I thought you had hypothermia.
Hypothermia? I don't have hypothermia. It's not cancerous. So explain to me, how did you know?
I was just guessing.
Okay. We're not friends anymore.
Come on, Tony. Come on, Tony. You know me. I'm your friend. I'm your friend. You know me. You know me, Tony. All right, Tony. I've been studying you. I know you sneeze at 8 a.m. every morning. I'm sorry, Tony.
I knew it.